In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your favorite repositories on GitHub by creating a list of your starred projects. This feature is perfect for keeping track of the repositories that interest you, helping keep your workflow smooth and efficient. So let's dive in and guide you through the process step by step. First things first, head over to the GitHub dashboard. This is your primary hub where you can manage all your activities on GitHub, view updates from repositories you're interested in, and explore new projects. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small icon representing your profile. This profile icon links to your personal settings and preferences on GitHub and is the access point we'll use to start organizing your starred repositories. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the option labeled Your Stars. This section is essentially a collection of all the repositories you have starred, signaling your interest or intent to revisit them in the future. It's like a favorites or bookmark list, specially designed for open-source projects hosted on GitHub. As we're aiming to organize these stars even further, take a look at the right-hand side of the screen where you should notice a button that says Create List. This functionality allows you to not only categorize your starred repositories, but also customize the lists based on different criteria, such as project type, coding language, or personal interest. Upon clicking the Create List button, you'll be prompted to give your new list a name and provide a description. Naming your list effectively is key. It should be intuitive and reflect the collection's theme or purpose. This description field is an optional but useful tool to elaborate on the contents or purpose of the list for future reference, or to share with collaborators who might have access to your profile. Once you have successfully named and described your new list, the final step is to click Create. By doing so, you'll establish a new section within your stars, providing increased organization and ease of access to the projects that matter to you the most. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've taken an important move towards an organized, efficient GitHub experience. This not only saves time, but also enhances productivity by ensuring you're never more than a few clicks away from accessing the repositories you find most valuable. I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you continue to explore and contribute to projects on GitHub. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.